So alrighty guys, so day 3 of the rally. So we're starting to head back, but it's not the end of the trip just yet. So we have 2 stops that we're still gonna be doing. One's another scenic point, and the other is a small little route called the Willow Loop. So we still have a little bit more awesome videos to share with you guys. And then it's time to head back home. So we're gonna start getting ready to head out, and we'll talk to you in a few. Alrighty y'all, so second to last spot. So we're at the Enchanted Rock. So it's part of a national forest, and we were supposed to go and be able to go in, but looks like the park was full. So kind of, as you can see, we're kind of spread out all along the side of the road here, but really awesome views and stuff like that. And so now we're gonna go and do our last little bit of a run, which is called the Willow Loop, and then from there we are heading back home. I don't know what, like they just all backed up for a second. Oh shit. Alrighty guys, so we had to make a little bit of a quick emergency stop, as you saw in the video. So my little camera is kind of toast. So it's like, essentially I hit a bump and it just sheared the bolt off of the selfie stick, and it just kind of went tumbling. I had to go turn around, run, go look for it, and then try to get like back to the group and stuff. So it was an interesting time. So, but everybody stopped and, you know, waited for me to get back with my camera stuff. So obviously, if you're seeing you saw the footage. So the camera's toast. I'm gonna have to get it replaced, but that's okay. That's the hazards of the job kind of deal. So we're gonna continue going to our last stop and get some good drone footage from there, and then start heading home. So we'll talk to you in a few. So last stop, awesome view, and honestly a great way to end this car rally. I mean, this was amazing. We saw all different kinds of scenery, from nice and mountainous to the curvy roads. And the best part is doing all of that with a whole bunch of buddies. And so this has been an awesome experience. I'm so glad to have been able to do this with everyone here on the ride. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.